Okay, folks, back with another little addition. I was laying my knives back up, and I saw my Zippo collection. And it's been my experience that knife and sword people are usually Zippo people. Shiny steel is shiny steel, eh? So, not a huge collection. There's one more is in my pocket right now. I should have had him ready. That's my everyday carry. That's my EDC Zippo for sure. That's a 1991 Niagara Falls, Canada, right? That's a Niagara Falls 1991 vintage style Zippo that I sent back to Zippo, and they put a new lid and stuff. But that's been my EDC, not since 91, but I've owned it since 91. This one's a Celtic knot Zippo. There's the brushed steel fender Zippo. There's a beautiful filigree Fender Stratocaster Zippo. There's another Niagara Falls. I think all the Canadian province Zippos were. That's not focusing. But it's Niagara Falls, Canada, anyway. And the Ironstone Zippo. And that's been my collection for a little while, no doubt. Some nice guitar, electric guitar cufflinks. Little House of Blues thing. A knife I forgot to show is the SOG, the SOG Seal Pup. And that is strapped to the Bugout Bag, which I put together a while ago. It's a two-piece grab-and-go panic button Bugout Bag thing. Full of goodies. A lot of research on the internet and a lot of money, I suppose, tied up in there. That's a future video, I'm sure. But there it is, folks. Just a little addition I thought I'd throw in there. Thanks for watching again. Bye.